So we're going to be cleaning some LVT flooring in a hallway here in a commercial warehouse. And what we want to do first is we want to pick up all of the dry debris off of the LVT flooring. So today we're going to use our X-Tract dual motor HEPA upright vacuum, and we're going to use the tool portion of this. So we're going to pull out our tool here. We're going to turn on our one switch here to turn the vacuum motor on, and then we're going to suck up all the dry debris. So we're going to run through here. We're going to pick up our dry debris in this hallway. Kind of grab all this debris that we got. So we had some people working on the ceiling tiles in here. We're gonna get all this picked up. Now let's say we had a bigger area to vacuum. We could go ahead, put our tool back onto the unit here and turn our brush motor on, and lo and behold, it works on hard surface. So we're able to vacuum this LVT flooring with our dual motor HEPA upright vacuum. Go right along the edge here. We're able to clean all the dry dirt up, and we're actually vacuuming it up, and we're going to remove it in the vacuum bag. So instead of a dust mop where it's just going to spread the dust around and that type of thing, we're actually dry vacuuming the surface, so that way when we go to use our X-Scrub Mini, it's going to be easier. Now what we've decided to do is we're just going to clean this half of the floor right now so you can kind of see the difference. So this is our X-Scrub Mini, and you'll notice we have our Maneuverable corrective cleaning pad on here made by Contact. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn our water flow on and then adjust our water flow up here. So now you can see that we have some water coming out right there. So once we do that, we're going to drop our pad on the floor like this, turn our brush on like that, and turn our vacuum on. And then, like I said, we want to clean about half of the floor. So we're going to go right down the middle here, and I'm going to clean this side of the floor the best that I can. And then I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to overlap a couple inches that way. I'm going to go back and clean this side of the floor. And then we're going to flip over this way, and we're going to scoot over here. Now I've got some roller bumper wheels on that side. Those bumper wheels are going to roll right up against the wall so I can get nice and close, cleaning the best that I can. And then I'll just make one more pass over here, just so that way I can make sure that I got everything nice and clean. When I'm done, I'm going to turn my water off, and I'm going to continue just to pick up the water that's underneath the machine. Oops. And when I'm finished, I'm going to flip my head up just like that. Turn our unit off. We're going to lock our neck into place right here, and then you'll be able to see kind of how much dirt and debris that this LVT flooring is holding. So we've been mopping this floor for probably 5 years now, and then we've decided to come in and scrub it with the Managing way with these Contact pads. So this is a disposable pad. You can kind of rinse this out and reuse it from time to time, but these are made to be disposable, so you can put them down, use them, throw them away, put a new one on. And on our X-Scrub Minis, they're just going to fit right onto the bottom of our standard brush here, just like that, and that'll hold it on perfect. So if you want to come up and look at the lines here, you'll be able to see that this side over here, we've got all the debris and stuff like that inside the grooves, and this side over here, as it's starting to dry, it's nice and clean. You can also feel the difference. This over here, you can feel like the oily grease and stuff in the surface, and over here, it's nice and clean. You can feel the difference. So take a look, let us know what you think, give us a call today.